Do you ever feel like your business's finances are a tangled mess? Like you're constantly guessing whether you have enough cash to cover payroll, invest in growth, or even just pay the bills? If so, you're not alone. Cash flow management is one of the biggest headaches for small business owners, and it can be the difference between thriving and just surviving. It's not about how much money you make, but how well you manage the money you have. You could be raking in sales, but if your cash isn't flowing in and out efficiently, you're constantly putting out fires. Imagine this: you've got a fantastic product or service, customers are lining up, and your revenue looks healthy on paper. But then, unexpected expenses pop up, a key client pays late, or you miss out on a bulk discount because you don't have the immediate funds. Suddenly, that healthy revenue feels like a mirage, and you're scrambling. This is the reality for countless businesses, and it's a direct result of poor cash flow management. Traditional banking, for all its merits, often falls short in providing the granular insights and proactive tools that modern businesses need for effective cash flow. You're left sifting through statements, manually categorizing transactions, and often reacting to financial situations rather than anticipating them. It's a reactive approach in a world that demands proactivity. That's where Relay Bank comes in. Relay isn't just another business bank, it's a financial operating system designed specifically to empower small businesses with crystal clear visibility and control over their cash flow. Think of it as your financial co-pilot, guiding you through the complexities of your business's money. We're not talking about another complex accounting software that requires a finance degree to operate. We're talking about an intuitive platform that simplifies what's often seen as the most intimidating aspect of running a business. Today, we're diving deep into how to leverage Relay Bank to transform your cash flow management from a chaotic guessing game into a streamlined, predictable system. We're going to explore its key features, walk through practical scenarios, and show you how to set up your finances for sustainable growth. By the end of this, you'll see that managing your cash flow doesn't have to be a daunting task, it can be an empowering one. Let's start with the foundational element of effective cash flow management: clear visibility. You can't manage what you can't see, and traditional bank accounts often present a muddled picture. Relay addresses this head-on with its incredibly powerful feature, multiple checking accounts. Imagine being able to earmark funds for specific purposes, not just in your head or on a spreadsheet, but within your actual banking environment. With Relay, you can create up to 20 individual checking accounts. This isn't just a vanity feature, it's a game changer for cash flow. Think about it. You can have a dedicated account for payroll, another for operating expenses, one for taxes, a separate one for marketing, and even an emergency fund. Each account acts as its own distinct bucket. When revenue comes in, you can automatically or manually allocate funds to these specific accounts. This envelope system for businesses ensures that money intended for one purpose isn't accidentally used for another. For example, let's say you allocate 30% of every incoming payment to your payroll account, 20% to operating expenses, 15% to taxes, and 5% to your growth and marketing account. This proactive allocation means you always know exactly how much you have available for each critical area of your business. No more scrambling to see if you have enough for payroll when the time comes. You simply check the payroll account. This system isn't just about knowing where your money is, it's about dictating where it goes, giving you a powerful sense of control. Beyond just the number of accounts, Relay offers incredibly granular transaction categorization and robust reporting. Every transaction that flows through your Relay accounts can be meticulously categorized. This level of detail allows you to see exactly where your money is coming from and, more importantly, where it's going. Relay's reporting features are intuitive and provide a clear, real-time snapshot of your financial health. You can generate reports that show your income by source, expenses by category, and even track trends over time. This isn't just data, it's actionable intelligence. You can quickly identify areas where you might be overspending, spot opportunities to cut costs, and make informed decisions about your financial future. For instance, if your software subscriptions category is consistently high, it might be time to review and cancel unused services. If your marketing spend isn't yielding the desired results, you can pivot your strategy. This visibility is the bedrock of strategic cash flow management. Now, let's talk about the flow itself, getting money in and out efficiently. Relay understands that speed and ease are paramount for businesses. They offer seamless integrations with popular accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero. This means your transactions automatically sync, reducing manual data entry, minimizing errors, and saving you valuable time. Imagine not having to painstakingly reconcile your bank statements with your accounting software every month. This automation alone can free up hours of your time, allowing you to focus on what you do best, running your business. Furthermore, Relay provides unlimited same-day ACH transfers and free domestic wire transfers. This is huge for businesses that rely on quick payments or need to send funds to vendors or contractors efficiently. No more waiting days for funds to clear or incurring hefty fees for urgent transfers. This agility in moving money is a significant advantage, especially when managing tight cash flow cycles. Another critical aspect of cash flow management is managing your payables. Relay simplifies this process with its bill pay features. You can schedule payments in advance, ensuring that your bills are paid on time, every time. This proactive approach prevents late fees, maintains good vendor relationships, and helps you avoid unexpected cash outflows. You can also upload invoices and bills directly to Relay, streamlining your accounts payable process and giving you a centralized hub for all your outgoing payments. This means you can say goodbye to stacks of paper bills and the stress of remembering payment due dates. Beyond just managing money, Relay also focuses on empowering you with insights into your customers and revenue streams. While Relay doesn't directly handle invoicing, its seamless integration with accounting software means you get a holistic view of your accounts receivable. You can track which invoices are outstanding, identify slow-paying clients, and even set up automated reminders within your accounting software. This interconnectedness allows you to actively manage your incoming cash and address potential bottlenecks before they impact your liquidity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.